Deep inside your pelvis is a muscular hammock. It holds your bladder and other vital organs in place. When it's strong, it acts like a trampoline, supporting everything when you cough, sneeze, or jump. But when you sit all day, this hammock is constantly squished and never gets to move.
Like any unused muscle, it gets weak. The ropes fray and the hammock starts to sag. Slouching adds downward pressure, pushing your organs right onto this weakened support.
Suddenly, a sneeze or a laugh puts too much pressure on it. Oops, a leak. That's incontinence. Over time, things can sink too low. This is organ prolapse, when organs drop out of position. The abdominal muscles are weak from sitting. Your pelvic floor works with your deep abs. The hammock carries the whole load.
Bad bathroom posture makes it worse. Straining weakens the hammock even more.
The fix? You have to train it. Kegel exercises strengthen the hammock ropes. Imagine trying to stop your pee mid-flow. That squeeze is a Kegel. Sit on your sits bones, not curled onto your tailbone. This takes pressure off. Strong glutes help support the pelvis from the outside. Wake up your butt.
Just walking helps. The natural movement of your hips keeps the muscles engaged. Deep squats with good form are amazing for pelvic floor function.
Your breath connects to it. As you breathe in, it relaxes down. As you breathe out, it lifts up.
Brace your core before you lift anything heavy to protect the hammock.
Keep your bladder healthy with plenty of water. Concentrated urine irritates it.
Eat fiber. Avoiding constipation means less straining on the toilet. Use a stool to raise your feet in the bathroom. It puts the pipes in the perfect angle.
With training, the hammock gets strong again. A strong foundation supports your entire body.
Don't neglect the muscles you can't see.
Support your health. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.